Hello and welcome. Today, Dr. Prometheus Trading discusses trading and why it's considered one of the hardest ways to make easy money. Firstly, what is trading? Trading involves buying and selling financial assets such as stocks, currencies, or commodities with the aim of making a profit. Professional traders spend years studying financial markets, analyzing data, and developing strategies to succeed. They need to understand market dynamics, price movements, economic, political, and social factors that can affect the markets, and technical indicators. Traders can work for financial institutions such as banks, pension funds, or hedge funds. They can also work for themselves or for individual clients as investment advisors. Secondly, the difficulties of trading. Trading is a complex field that requires a lot of knowledge and experience. Traders must learn to interpret market data and use it to make informed decisions. Even the most experienced traders can lose money on a trade or a series of trades because financial markets are unpredictable and can be influenced by external factors such as economic and political events or even natural disasters. In addition, trading requires great discipline and strict risk management. Traders must be able to control their emotions and make rational decisions based on market data and trends. To succeed as a trader, you must be prepared to work hard and constantly learn new skills and strategies. Trading requires discipline, precision analysis, and strict risk management. Thirdly, the pros and cons of trading. Trading offers potential benefits such as the opportunity to earn a lot of money quickly and work from anywhere in the world. However, trading also has drawbacks such as emotional stress, the need for full-time commitment, and financial risks. Traders must remain constantly vigilant to market movements, be able to control their emotions, and be willing to take financial risks. Fourthly, how to learn trading. If you are interested in trading, it's important to get proper training. You can take online courses, read books on the subject, or even work with a mentor, like Dr. Prometheus Trading for personal guidance, or an investment advisor to help you develop your skills and knowledge. Fifthly, tips for succeeding as a trader. To succeed as a trader, you must be patient, disciplined, and willing to learn from your mistakes. You should develop a trading plan and stick to it, manage your risks, and keep emotions in check. You must also be willing to adapt to changing market conditions and constantly improve your skills and knowledge. In summary, trading may seem like an easy way to make money quickly, but it is actually a difficult and complex job that requires a lot of time and effort to succeed and enjoy the luxurious life that you see on social media. If you are considering getting into trading, make sure to get proper training and fully commit to this activity to access the success that comes with it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't hesitate to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos on the subject.